That fucking... Well, this is a little bit more of a bitch.
So what, if there, one of those broke in there, or?
Well, he has a lifter that snapped.
Oh, it snapped in there, so you have to cut them out with the bolt cutter?
Not snapped, but it went bad. And
did it lock up?
The best thing to do is he wants to replace the lifters in it. So I'm getting a lifter kit where it has the lifters, the gaskets, and adjustables.
So you can just adjust them.
Yeah, so the only other way to take these out, factory ones,
is to cut them.
Is to take the fucking heads off, or the valve covers off.
But if you cut them with bolt cutters, then you can leave the heads on and just put adjustable push rods back in it.
Yep.
That's pretty good, honestly. Now we know why they made adjustable ones, so we can have a shortcut. Did you tell this guy there's going to be a service charge of $9.99, $99.99?